Today I'm going to teach you how to remove null values from rows in Power BI Query Editor. This is essential for cleaning your data and ensuring your reports and visualizations display accurate information without any gaps or empty entries that could skew your analysis. First, you'll want to open your Power BI desktop application. Once it's loaded up, take a look at the left side of your screen where you'll see several view options. Click on Table View. This will give you a clear spreadsheet-style layout of your data, making it much easier to identify and work with specific columns and values. Now shift your attention to the right side of the screen. Here you'll need to click on the data table that contains the null values you want to remove. This is important because you need to be working within the correct dataset to make the necessary changes. Power BI may have multiple tables loaded, so make sure you've selected the one that needs cleaning. Once you've got your table open, the next step is to find the specific column that has those null values. Scan through your columns and identify which one contains the blank or null entries that are causing issues in your data. This visual inspection helps you pinpoint exactly where the problem lies. After you've located the column with null values, look for the small arrow icon beside the column header. This arrow is your gateway to filtering options. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear, showing you all the unique values present in that column, including any null or blank entries. In this drop-down menu, you'll see options like null or blank listed among the other values. These are the entries you want to exclude from your dataset. Go ahead and uncheck the box next to null or blank. By unchecking these, you're telling Power BI to filter out all rows that contain these empty values in this particular column. Once you've unchecked null or blank, click OK to apply the filter. Power BI will instantly update your table view, removing all rows that had null values in that specific column. You'll notice your dataset is now cleaner and more streamlined, containing only rows with actual data in that field. And that's it. You've successfully removed null values from your rows in Power BI Query Editor, giving you a much cleaner dataset to work with for your analysis and reporting needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.